Safety first, just lean into the saw. Why are you being such a little bitch? You're way too tiny for this.
I know! I want to help! We're Leanne and Meek, also known as VanTastic Traveling. We've been living the van life for the past 2 years and this is our new home on wheels, Bruce. After a few months on the road, we now know what upgrades need to be done. So in these Sprinter Van build series, we're preparing for our next big adventure. Hi dear friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic, and today is all about fixing our van build problems because this panel needs to get out. It's completely glued in and we want to get it out without destroying the rest of the van because we want to place a window in this wall. So if you have similar problems, this video is for you, and if you're just looking for a little bit of entertainment with two DIY noobs, keep watching. So what have we done so far? Up until now we tried looking at it. We tried pulling it. We tried bending it. We tried to cut the glue. And then someone gave us a brilliant tip by using a little bit of string. And the end result is it's still here. Now we are very new to the DIY and our toolkit looks like this. And if we are serious about this van build and we want to make this van our dream tiny home on wheels, we decided we need an upgrade.
Power, baby! How does this thing work? Let's get started.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of?
Safety first, just lean into the saw.
What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender?
Well, there's definitely no turning back now.
Okay, cool. Got it sort of loose, but this is all very glued in.
We don't want to saw into the metal of the van, right?
If we can, we want to keep the metal as it is.
So figuring out what the best way. En dan laten. Still haven't figured out what the best route is. Well, would you?
That ripped! Woo!
Alright, alright.
Yay! This is what victory feels like. Whoop, oh, shit. 1, 2, 3. Yes! We're winning!
How does that feel?
We're finally winning! There we go!
Yeah, babe! We're so happy that we upgraded our tools.
We already love it, don't we?
If you saw what we used to have, the tools, that was not much. And we just bought this jigsaw especially for this job really. But with the plans we've got over the next couple of weeks with the DIY stuff, we definitely need the jigsaw. So happy, and this is really fun to do. But the interesting part is yet to come though. Where it's going to get challenging, this is the fridge, the wall of the fridge. And this panel is glued, you can see it, it's glued behind the fridge. So somehow we have to manage to get it out, and also the ceiling, without destroying this cabinet and without destroying the ceiling.
If you think, why don't you just remove the fridge and then it's easier access? We know, we tried. No movement in the fridge whatsoever. which makes it a little bit tricky, doesn't it?
That has been the puzzle for the past 2 weeks, as you might have seen in our last video, where we were defeated by this wall, but we're not getting defeated again. We will win today.
What do you think of our new wall? Yes. Hey.
What you want. My brother's going down today. My sister's living the dream. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone.
I thought I had it, and then Leon said, no, that's the ceiling you're ripping apart now.
You heard it
Yeah,
just staring, and she thought it was the wall. It wasn't.
It wasn't. Okay.
We might be winning here. That might have been a bit too close.
It's ripping. I just don't want to rip the ceiling too. But you see that? It's starting
Okay, cool.
to come off. The only problem is we want the ceiling to stay put.
Otherwise we'll do the whole van. No worries.
I really don't want to do that.
If you're thinking of doing a van build yourself and you think, well, let's just buy a already converted van and just make some alterations, I do not recommend doing
No.
that. I think it's easier to start from scratch.
Yeah, because Bruce has some secrets.
Yeah, you don't know how it's built if you buy a converted van. And we're just finding out on the go, really, which is fun and it's interesting, and I bet that when we're done, we're happy with it. But alternating a already converted van, it's not a simple task. Are you alright?
I was standing like this. Ow, 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 it hurts. It's in my bra.
Take off your shirt.
Yeah, take it off.
You can let go of the panel, you know.
Don't look. Ah! Splinters in my...
What's the matter with the bright red lights? In the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time.
There we go. Now what?
Now, first we're going to do something really unusual. We're going to have a cup of tea.
Could we have coffee though?
Nope, I made tea. Now who knew that we would ever drink a cup of tea? It is a cold day and it's like 1 or 2 degrees. And we're filming and, well, we're working with the doors open. We got the heater on, but that doesn't help a lot, now does it?
It helps that we're busy.
Yeah, that's true. My fingers are cold though.
Yeah.
I can't wait for this van to be ready and just hit the road again.
I know, we've
Like-
got such big plans.
Full-time road tripping. Now, how does that sound, guys?
Like, amazing! This we already tried looking at it. That didn't help.
Oh, it's just so frustrating because you've got the wall, which goes up all the way to the top of the van, and then you've got the ceiling, which is like probably like a centimeter or so lower than the top of the wall, and there's probably glue right behind the point where we can't reach it. Now we don't have to take it all off because this is where the window is going to be. And we're going to be wood cladding the whole wall.
The most important thing is that the window will fit right over there. And that the rest of the van, like the ceiling and the fridge, is still
intact when we're done.
Yes.
Who needs a jigsaw? At this point it's really hard to control yourself and to stay gentle because I just want to tear this off.
Control yourself, man.
Yeah, for once.
Yay!
There we go.
We can have a window!
Yay!
Yay, we're done!
Just leave it like this.
It's fine. You can tell that he's having fun now.
Yay! Now I'm not sure if you can see, but so this was glued behind the cabinet of the fridge. And it is completely out now. That is a big win. The memory card was full. Could you believe that? We ripped this last piece out in that corner.
Victory!
And that did not go gentle, but
it's out!
if you are doing something like this at home, I would really recommend you wearing gloves.
Yeah, because I already got a splinter.
Full of splinters.
Yeah.
But
who's my hero today?
we're almost done.
You are! Okay, should I get some gloves? I'm bleeding. Gloves? Because I think we can actually rip it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do that. I got two. I got two left-hand gloves.
No, you don't. You got them inside out.
Ah. I'm that stupid.
You need to do them the other way around.
Why?
Because this has the grip. It's all about grip, baby.
I thought this was dirt.
Okay. Good?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Just one tiny little piece left. Maybe we need to start again. Like
a fire starter.
A fire starter.
You're way too tiny for this.
I know. I want to help. No. Oh yeah, it's still stuck.
Shall I give it a go?
Yeah.
Come on, you!
That little thing is gonna decide if you're gonna have a nice quiet sleep tonight.
Ooh. Why are you being such a little bish?
Bitch.
Yes!
Yes! That's it.
Yeah, this will be okay.
This will be okay. Rest will be sending and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm probably not in the shot, am I? I'm here. I'm here.
There you are.
Should we call it a day then?
Well, you got that piece left.
No. You don't see that on camera. I think that's it. What did it say?
Nee, wacht nou.
They won't get us down, no? I'm not English. I forgot the phrase.
Wat is dit?
Ja, we zijn aan het slopen, ja.
Doen jullie er een scène bij aan?
Ja, ja, ja.
We gaan uitbouwen. Take 2.
Heb je liever dat ik de camera vasthoud of zo?
I would like you to shush. Yep, got myself a splinter. And I think Leon is about to sneeze.
No.
I can do something too. Yeah, that doesn't work.
Ah.
Oh. What do you have?
That ripped.
Like a glove?
Not my hand. Babe, I did the whole wall. You will clean up, yeah? Right, thanks.